Hello and welcome to AAA Tips. Here we share powerful graphic design secrets to help you create, inspire, and stand out. Stick around because today's tip is a game changer. Alright, so once again, you are welcome. Alright, so when you look on our screen here, this is a Polygon JS logo. Okay, and we had come to look at how we could actually bring out this logo here in just a few simple steps. Alright, so to begin with it, let me just select everything, group it, and I'll just minimize it and drag it somewhere here. Okay. Alright, so the first thing we need to do here is just come in for your freehand tool. Just when you click, hold down your control key just to get a very straight line. Once you are done with it, click here, drag, hold down your control key, move it forward a little bit and right click to duplicate. Okay, then you use the keyboard shortcut key control D to actually duplicate these lines. So we are just going to duplicate it 10 times. So that's 2 for now. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, okay, so this is what I'll do. Select everything and let's group it. Okay, once you group it, press P to align it to the center of the page. Okay, all right. All right. So after bringing it into the middle here, come all the way to edit, click to copy, go back to edit again, and click to paste. All right. Okay, now, whilst one of them is being selected, just come all the way to this side here and just type 60. So we are just going to rotate it 60. Then we duplicate this one again. We'll go to File, Copy, Edit, we paste again. Then we use this one to actually mirror it horizontally. So this is actually how it's going to be. All right. Now let's zoom in, or let me just select everything. Let's group it. Okay. Then we hit on this group here. Now zoom it big so that we could actually see everything here. Now I'll just come all the way to where the crop tool is and I'll pick this tool. It's called Virtual Segment Delete. Just click on it and this is actually how it is. Okay, so from here, hold down your Alt key and click from here. So you actually experience this line. Just drag it and bring it down all the way to somewhere here. All right, okay. Now you can just click to delete a line. Okay, so I'll just hold down my Alt key again and glance through to remove the unwanted part. Okay, so this is actually how it's going to be. All right, now so to get the J out, what we need to do here is just come all the way here, hold down your Alt key, and let's try to drag again. Let's bring it all the way here, all the way this side here. So this is actually how it's going to be. So I'll just click to remove this one, hold down my Alt key again, and clear the unwanted part. Okay, it's very necessary. Okay, by holding the Alt key actually gives you that flow. Okay, so I'll remove this one as well. Then what I will do here is I will just come all the way here, click this one, hold down my Alt key again, click to drag. Then I'll just bring it all the way down here. This side also coming all the way down here. Okay, then from here we move to the top here. Okay, so let's just click to remove the unwanted part. Wanted object that we don't want. So this is actually how it is. So you see I have actually removed everything. Okay, so if I zoom it big, I think I don't have any overlapping thing here. So from here, come to your toolbar here and just click on this particular tool here, click and hold to reveal the rest of the hidden tools. Then just click on Smart Fill. Okay, then you just click once. You click here also once. You also click here once. So this is actually how it's going to be. Here, we forgot to remove this side here. Okay, so I'll just go back to my segment delete tool and I'll just click here to remove it. So I'll just go back to my smart fill again and I'll just click to fill. So this is actually how it's going to be. Then what we need to do, just click, hold down your shift key, click and click. Then what you need to do, you can just cut it out or click and drag it out. Okay, so you'll be left with these lines. So let's just select everything and hit our delete key. With this one, let's group it, which is the Control G. Hold down your shift key to expand it a little bit. Press P to what? Center it. Okay, all right. So now what we need to do here, let's remove the outline here. I'll just come all the way here. I'll just click on no outline. Okay, you can actually find the same tool at the top here as no outline. Okay, all right. So I'll just click none. Then you see that it's gone. I'll use my black. I'll use the deep one. So this is actually how it's going to be. Okay, all right. We are not done. This one, when you look at this, it looks like a polygon. Okay, now I can just come all the way to these two here, click and drag to draw this, press P. Okay, so once I press P, I can hold down my shift key and what, expand it out. Okay, a little bit. But now when you look, you will notice that this side is bigger than this side, which is not accurate. So this is what I do most of the times. I'll delete it and I'll use the freehand tool here to draw a line. So let me just use about different color for the outline. Okay, so let me just click OK. I'll just click here, double click, and you see that the line will show. I'll just come all the way here, double click again, come all the way here, or maybe I just want the center of it. Okay, so I'll just double click. Don't worry if it's not straight, we'll actually correct it. So I'll just come here, double click, and I'll also come here to click just what fill. So I'll drag my grid line to position it at the center here. Then let's zoom in this one and see if everything is in at the center. I'll use my shape tool. Just click and let's just align it. Align it. Okay, let's just align it very nicely. Something like this, which I think is perfect now. Okay, if you can see. Okay, I think, okay, that's it. All right, so from here, what you need to do, hold down your shift key, click and drag to expand it. And now you can tell that the space that we have from here to here is the same space that you have above. Okay, all right. So now let's just increase the outline a little bit. So I'll just use about something like 8. Okay, I think 8 is too big. I'll go for 4. And I'll use black, which is right click to give an outline fill. Okay, all right. So now there's one single thing that I just want to show you. Now, if we reduce this logo here, okay, you see that the outline actually have filled up, which you can't see anything with it. Okay, so let me just undo. So now if we want to scale the whole object with the line and we want the space and everything to maintain the way they are, there is one thing that we need to do. Press F12 on your keyboard, okay, just to get the, let's press F12. Okay, I think I just have to select on this line, press F12. Then you could actually have this outline pen here. Now come all the way to this side and scale it with object. So just click this one to scale it with object. Once you choose this one, when we scale this logo, it's not going to be cramped. You see that the space and everything there is being what? The same. All right, so let's just try to increase the line a little bit. Okay, let me just undo. Let's try to increase the lines like 6. Will be okay, which I think is perfect. So let's just delete this one. Shift F4 for full mode. Then we delete the outline. And here we are, guys. F9 to view it full mode. And you can see that we have actually designed this logo in a very simple steps. Okay, guys, so if you enjoy this episode, kindly like, share, subscribe. Okay, as that keep us going. So on this note, we bring this lesson to an end. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.